Hello viewers, welcome to Hotel Green City International, Rajshahi. Staying in the Hotel Green City International, you will deep into the atmosphere of comfort and cleanliness. There are many facilities for you. Facilities are 24 hours front desk, room service, free Wi-Fi, 24/7 security, air conditioning, restaurant, car parking, etc. AC couple room, AC family room, non-AC VIP couple room, normal couple room, single premium, twin premium. Hotel Green City International, Rajshahi, courtesy by porjotonbidi.com, a website of Porjoton Bidi Tours and Travels. Contact for reservation 0179171133, 017764677789. Photography Nahid Akhtar, videography Shathi Bonik, voice Shathi Bonik, porjotonbidi.com. Thanks for watching.